Before you use your micro servo in your project, it is best to set the initial shaft position. Doing that enables you to logically add the actuating arm. To do it is very quick and simple. I'll take you through a video demonstration of that. If you know of anybody who might be interested in this information, you can probably do them a favor by clicking on the share button below so that they can find it very easily. A like would be most appreciated also. I find it convenient to have my micro servos set at a particular angle, 90 degrees in this case. I use a sketch. You can find the sketch below. If you want your initial angle to be different, you can go ahead below and just make a change to the angle. What we have is an Uno. I use this as my test Uno for various sketches. I have a Tower Pro 9G. It's a clone. I test them for operation using another sketch, another video. I'll link to that as below. The servo is connected to the +5 and the ground, and I have the control wire now, which I have to hook up. All right, the control wire, I come over here to pin 9. Watch the servo move now. As soon as I get it in the hole. All right, that's moved. I now have my 90-degree point. I change the arm. This one's set for 90 degrees. So let's go over. We'll get another servo. There we go. Once again, the control, we hook up controls. We hook up, the positive is the gray wire. Negative, the purple. All right, got it. Let's go over here. Again to pin 9. All right, we're at 90 degrees. That's it. That's simple. Recommend you use it. Sketch to link to the sketches below. Link to other videos below. Thank you for watching. Very short, very easy. Have a good day.